Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the low mileage 2016 Chevy Equinox LT, stock number Z9264XA. Only 23,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Siren red in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle as well. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5, cloth interior. Not only low miles, but very clean inside and out. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Hitch and wiring. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional storage cubbies on both sides, as well as power outlet. Body is free of dents or dings. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt-and-telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read, 3,000 miles with driver information system, cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, full radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, or Stitcher radio apps. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below. For radio, heating and air conditioning, along with heated front seats. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, as well as economy mode. Lots of storage space in the armrest. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those media devices. And a spacious glove box with all the owners. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 2.4 liter 4-cylinder, 182 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 22 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Equinox, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.